The province of Quebec has more than 6 million registered vehicles and a road network stretching over 325,000 kilometers. On highways, national and provincial roads, local roads, bridges and tunnels, the usual winter weather leaves countless potholes every year, temporarily filled. The poor condition of the roads causes many accidents on practically the entire network. For most of the vehicles involved, it is often a blown tire or a damaged rim. But it is sometimes more serious, to the point that today, the safety of users is really at risk. Faced with the seriousness of this problem, the authorities now want to focus on filling potholes permanently. Usually, when temperatures are too low, it is not possible to work with hot asphalt, so cold asphalt is placed. A fragile and temporary repair. With the rain and temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's impossible for it to hold. It's a bit like putting glue on a wet sole, so to speak. And yet, it is technically possible to make solid and permanent repairs. The technique proposed today by PAVTECH is widely used in Quebec. It is still unknown in the rest of Canada and the United States. PAVTECH, a company specializing in the research and development of nanotechnological cold asphalt in Quebec, for the permanent maintenance and repair of roads and highways in all seasons. Thanks to our expertise in the field of bituminous coatings combined with nanotechnology, we can offer customized solutions to meet the specific needs to our customers. We have a modern and efficient production facility. Our commitment to quality, safety, and the environment is at the heart of our business strategy, and we are constantly working to improve our processes and products to meet the highest standards. We are proud of our position as the only permanent cold asphalt manufacturer in Canada, and we are confident that our expertise and commitment to our customers will continue to strengthen our reputation in the industry. The iSphalt 6.5 is a revolutionary product for permanently repair of potholes on roads and highways that can be used in any weather conditions. Designed for use in the cold, rain, or snow. This product uses nanotechnology to ensure an effective and quick solution to pothole problems. This product is ready to be used directly on site, without the need for heavy equipment. It can be used to repair potholes directly in water. This makes it ideal for emergency repair use on roads and highways. The iSphalt 6.5 is 100% black granite based, making it eco-friendly for a more sustainable future. This helps to reduce carbon emissions. It uses only water as an activating agent without the need for solvents, making it safer for workers and the environment. This product is easy to use and can be ready for car traffic immediately. PAVTECH's iSphalt 6.5, a revolutionary product that promotes low-carbon government for a more sustainable future.